Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to save files in Excel and also how to name files in Excel. And I'm also going to show you how to check out different files, different types of files that you can save in Excel as well. And with that being said, let's begin. First, we're going to go to File on the tab. Then we're gonna go to the Backstage view, which is where I am now. And then we're gonna go to Save. It brings me automatically to Save As because I haven't saved this file yet. But I'm gonna go to Browse, and you'll get this box immediately. And where I'm gonna go is where it says Save As Type. I'm gonna click this, and this Excel workbook XLSX, that's the current version of the file of Excel, which is now. But we also have different options: Excel macro enable workbook, Excel binary workbook, Excel 97 to 93 workbook version, as opposed to this current version, which is what we have in default. We have also web page, Excel template, which is also popular. It's Excel macro enabled templates. Excuse me. We have text, tab delimited text files. You could save this file as a text file. And also we have CSV, comma separated value, or you can call it comma delimited. And then going forward, we have formatted text. We also have CSV, CSV Macintosh, CSV MS DOS. And we also have the PDF version and XPS and so on and so forth. But these are a lot of options. I believe there are close to 30 options, but these are many options to choose from. I'm not going to name it right now because I want to show you another trick that you can do besides coming to the Backstage view. We're going to return to the main menu, exit the Backstage, and what I'm going to do is hit the keyboard shortcut F12, and I'll repeat again, F12 on the keyboard, hit, and it's going to come up with the same box as you've seen in the Backstage view. And you will still see the same amount of list of options. And now I am going to save this workbook. Being that my cell has a title already that says working days for employees, I'm going to give it the same name, working days for employees. Let me see, dash, or should I say hyphen, or whatever, 1. And I could save this whatever file I want to save it on. I can save this in whatever folder I want to save it on, I'm sorry. But at this moment, since I'm already where I want to be, I'm going to hit save. And boom. And this is pretty much it. And this is where we at. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.